go into that term just a little bit more. You said a lot about being an individual investor. Um, Unpack that for me, and I'd say really focus on what is different about an individual investor versus, say, like anything else. What sets an individual investor apart?
Anybody who's an individual investor is going to be somebody who's making their own decisions. They're not relying on somebody with some fancy degree to tell them what to do, or just somebody who has got the credentials to say, hey, let's move your money here, or I'm going to move your money here. You yourself are making the decisions. There are a lot of investments that you can't even get into very easily unless you are working with a financial advisor. And there's a lot of portfolios that can be built by a financial advisor. But for an individual investor, you're not working through that system. You're working on your own. You're opening your own brokerage account, and you are kind of dialing in however you want to fit your own needs based on what you want to do. So you're not relying on paying a fee through, there's a variety of fee structures, but you're not paying any fees to anybody else in order to do your investing. You're kind of taking that middleman out. So it's kind of like instead of getting an accountant, you do your own taxes. So instead of getting a financial advisor, you do your own investing, and there's a cost saving. But again, if you don't know what you're doing, that there's the balance, which is why a lot of people feel the need to pay to have a financial advisor. But I'm going to explain why I feel very strongly that for many situations, in a lot of cases, you don't need that middleman. A lot of things have opened up to eliminate the need for that.